student of Department of Pharmacy, University of Swabi. Here we are going to discuss a new chapter in pharmacology. So the topic is what is antiseptics? Antiseptics, and then disinfectants, and last one steriliants. So we are going to discuss what is the main difference among these, for what purpose they are used in pharmaceuticals and general life, and what are its importance. So in this lecture we are specifically going to discuss the main definitions and then classification of disinfectants and antiseptics. So antiseptics, these are substances which kill. The first thing is that they cause killing of small microorganisms, and the second one is to prevent. So these are the substances which kill or prevent the growth of microorganisms. They are used on living tissues such as skins, mucosa, and wounds. So the main use of antiseptics to kill or to prevent the multiplication, the division, the growth of microorganisms, and more specifically they are used on living tissues. Living tissues that are skins, mucosa, different type of mucosa, and wounds. Then disinfectants. So these are agents which prevent, its also function is to prevent infection, which prevent infection by destruction of pathogenic microorganism, and these are often used on non-living things. So the main difference among antiseptics and disinfectants is that antiseptics are used on living tissues while disinfectant used on non-living things. And last one is steriliants. So these cause killing of all type of microorganisms. These agents kill both vegetative form and spores. So now we are going to discuss classification of disinfectants and antiseptics. So we have divided it into the following 7 categories, and each category consists of its own chemicals, its own agents. So halogens group contain iodine, chlorine, and iodophores. So iodine is the most common used one, and chlorine is later on. And now the second class that consists of alcohol. So alcohols may be ethyl alcohol and isopropyl alcohol. Now the phenolic compound. So phenolic compound consists of phenols and O-phenyl phenols. Now the fourth class is aldehydes. So aldehydes may be formaldehyde and glutaraldehydes. And fifth one is peroxide. So peroxide include hydrogen peroxide, acetic acid, and benzyl peroxide. Now the sixth class that contain quaternary ammonium compounds. So they contain benzalkonium chloride and benzethonium chloride. Now last class is heavy metals. So they include thimerosal, silver nitrate, and silver sulfadiazine. So this is the brief class about the classification of disinfectant, antiseptics, steriliants, and for more detail we shall be going to discuss each class in detail and discuss about in each class about iodine, its uses, its common uses in pharmaceutical, and it's also used in other purposes, and it's also of alcohol, phenolic compound, and so on. So please watch the second video of this lecture. You people will be getting latest information and data about the halogens, alcohol, phenolic compound, its uses, its pharmaceutical uses, its common uses, about its usage, about its doses, and for which purpose, for which type of microorganism they are using. So please watch our second video of this lecture. Thank you.